them I go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
Let me out there. Hey, can you go out the door? Watch your what? Let me out.
It's them two people.
Hey.
My word, my precious girl. My precious.
No, stop.
Yeah. Over man, you know.
I know I reach on me yard. Yeah, me have to video cause then top tip them. Shit, yeah. So me have to video.
Yes. My world, my precious. No people, you know see that? I hear so this happened done in a Clarkstown in a Trelawney people and see the bus driver go home with passenger and the next woman tackle the next woman but who take this a man and who take who for man and this and see the now people baby one go come so boom put up phone to the other one face and see they fight then start fighting at the bus with all the passengers them. Such a shame and disgrace. And look into it now people where the man there? Maybe the man there out there now with the next woman. All you have to do is just play the game. My world now them a time when they can COVID-19 and behave so. Who knows should have there home under quarantine. Look one of there. In a bus a pop fight over man. Jesus, it's such a shame and disgrace boy. I don't know sit back on and watch them a video. Who wanna think and look into yourself? No sir. You can't be like this woman out there if you take pride now on yourself. There's other ways and solutions how to deal with things. Not in the public place, in the public eyes. And another one of people no can't wrong the girl for say she have the video and show them see it say you no wrong because when other people see things like this, them have to learn from it, man. Attack new link attack. My world, my precious whole world. See, I don't know a thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. I don't know they are giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis, people. I don't know, you know what I mean? We see how the thing and go on in the world. I will tell us every day once we do have a topic, we are going to talk something about the COVID-19 because people stay safe and secure in themselves, secure in the family. And they say stay in on the house, stay in on the house. When I say, they say tanning on the house, you know, lock up and tanning, they watch TV, go do on the feel like do anything, go play some video game, go do something, you understand? But tanning on the house, you know, stay in there. If they say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks, you know, do it, people. You understand? Because this thing is getting out of control. When I tell us, say, the US are all our neighbor, US are we all our feed from, US are we all our live from. And see in the US now, over 1,000 cases of COVID-19. US, they way past China, way past Italy now. You understand people saying at the end and it's climbing. It's not declining, it's climbing every day. So what? Secure yourself, secure your family, and stay safe. You don't know anything of viewers and subscribers. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe. No! And hit that notification bell icon so new link chop a video you will get them. I don't know enough love, enough respect, peace out. Respect, attack them new link. Big up.
Where them I go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.